What if you could replace your entire multi-monitor setup with a single display that not only powers your laptop, but also clears the cable chaos on your desk? Meet Lenovo's new ThinkVision P40WD-40, a monitor that's more than just a screen. It's a command center. At 39.7 inches, this ultra-wide stretches across your workspace with a crisp 5120 by 2160 resolution. That's wide enough to replace 2 or even 3 monitors with one seamless, factory-calibrated canvas. The 2500R curve ensures every corner stays comfortably in view, while HDR10 support, 400 nit brightness, and a 2000:1 contrast ratio bring depth and realism to your content. For creators, it covers 99% sRGB and 98% DCI-P3 with factory-tuned Delta E precision. But size isn't the only story. Lenovo introduces a 24 to 120 Hz variable refresh range powered by its panel replay technology. This means the monitor adjusts refresh rates dynamically to conserve power, cutting consumption by up to 34% below Energy Star baselines, without compromising image quality. A smarter screen for a greener workspace. The P40WD-40 is also a one-cable dock. A Thunderbolt 4 port delivers up to 140 watts of power to charge your laptop, while simultaneously pushing video and data. Need more? A second Thunderbolt port supports daisy chaining, and you also get HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort in and out, 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, 2 USB-C ports, and 5 USB-A ports. With eKVM switching, you can control 2 devices with one keyboard and mouse, seamlessly jumping between a work laptop and a personal PC with a single click. Ergonomics are well thought out. 155 millimeters of height adjustment, 45 degrees of swivel, plus generous tilt options. The anti-glare coating reduces reflections, while TÜV Rheinland low blue light certification, eye comfort 5-star, and TCO 10 compliance ensure both eye safety and sustainability. It's a display that works as hard as you do, without the health compromises. The Lenovo ThinkVision P40WD-40 isn't built for gamers chasing high frame rates. It's built for professionals who value clarity, efficiency, and a clean desk. Available this November in the US for $2,182 and rolling out across Europe, the Middle East, and Africa in December for €1,499, it's Lenovo's answer to cable sprawl, color inconsistency, and energy-hungry monitors. If you want to grab one for yourself, just tap the product link right here. It's the easiest way to check the latest price, and it helps support the channel too.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.